What's going on, everybody? This is Chad from Dataiku, and I'm super excited to join you for our final edition of What's New Dataiku for 2024. As we wrap up the year and get into the holiday spirit, our incredible technology teams have gifted us with another amazing update packed with features that you've been wishing for. So before we dive in, I want to give a massive shout out to our engineering, product, UX, R&D, all of those teams that have tirelessly worked throughout the year to bring these product innovations to life. Okay, on to the features. Let's kick things off with something our Databricks users have been waiting for. Deploy Anywhere now supports Databricks. This completes our MLOps cloud integration puzzle with integrations with the major cloud providers, Snowflake, and now Databricks. This makes deploying models to Databricks super simple without any manual coding or complex setup. From Dataiku, you can export your model in MLflow format and publish it directly to Databricks Unity Catalog, where it then gets deployed as a Databricks endpoint. This streamlines your model deployment process, eliminating manual steps and complex setups, while maintaining the same smooth experience you get when deploying to other cloud platforms or to the Dataiku API node. You'll spend less time on deployment logistics and more time delivering value. This is a game changer for organizations heavily invested in the Databricks ecosystem, especially data teams looking to streamline their MLOps workflow while maintaining governance and control.
Hello, my name is Lauren Anderson, and I'm a product marketing manager here with Dataiku, here to tell you about one of my favorite features within this release, Generate Recipe. So we're bringing GenAI right to your Flow editor with Generate Recipe. This feature allows you to describe what you want to do with your data in plain language, and the LLM suggests the most appropriate visual recipe based on your dataset schema and sample data. This isn't just about convenience. It's about accelerating your data preparation workflow and making Dataiku more accessible to team members who might not be familiar with all the recipe options. The LLM acts as your personal data prep assistant, helping you choose the right tool for the job. This feature is particularly valuable for experienced users looking to speed up their workflow, as well as business analysts new to Dataiku. It's also great for teams transitioning from other platforms who want to quickly understand how to accomplish familiar tasks in Dataiku. And with that, I'll hand it over to Christina.
Thanks, Lauren. They say a picture is worth 1,000 words. Fortunately, the LLM Mesh API and Dataiku Answers chat application now support image generation, so you can do both text-to-image and image-to-image generation capabilities. The availability of image models like DALL-E 3, Imagen 3, and Stability AI models is going to depend on each AI service providers, but your admins can configure this in the LLM Mesh connection settings. This integration means you can generate and modify images within existing Dataiku workflows, all while maintaining security and governance through the LLM Mesh. So no need to juggle multiple tools or worry about separate authentication systems. Now, this is especially powerful for marketing teams needing to generate visual imagery, creative teams looking to quickly prototype designs, or really any organization wanting to integrate image generation capabilities into daily work while maintaining enterprise security and control. Thanks, Chad. Back to you.
Thanks, Christina. Up next, we're introducing a comprehensive testing framework that brings software development best practices to your Dataiku projects. You can now test Python libraries, flows, and web apps using dedicated scenario steps, run tests on a QA automation node, and integrate test reports into your sign-off processes. This brings structure and reliability to your testing process, making it easier to catch issues before they reach production. The test reports can be used through deployer hooks or govern, creating a clear audit trail of quality assurance. This feature is critical for ETL-focused teams and organizations with strict quality control requirements, as well as anyone looking to bring in more rigor to the development process. It's particularly valuable for enterprises that need to maintain compliance while moving quickly. Knowledge banks now offer 3 new update modes beyond the default overwrite: Append, Smart Sync, and Upsert. With Upsert mode, when a new document matches an existing one, it replaces the old document, while new documents are simply added. This gives you much more control over your knowledge banks and how they evolve over time, making it easier to maintain and update your RAG workflows without starting them from scratch every time. You can now choose the update strategy that best fits your use case. This enhancement is particularly valuable for teams maintaining large language models and RAG applications, especially those who need to regularly update their knowledge bases while preserving existing information. It's also great for organizations with dynamic document repositories that need regular updates. Okay, here's one many of you have been asking for. You can now click and drag flow zones. This feature is available as a new mode in project settings, giving you direct control over your flow organization. While it might seem like a simple change, it makes a huge difference in how you organize and maintain complex flows. You can now arrange your workflow exactly how you want, making it easier to follow, understand, and ultimately explain. This feature is especially helpful for users coming from other visual tools, teams working on larger projects with many flow zones, and anyone who just wants more control over their flow visualization. Finally, we've given the Dataiku homepage a major facelift. We improved empty states, added smarter section visibility, and created new learning and solution modules that combine samples with tutorials. These changes reduce cognitive load and make it easier to find what you need. The homepage now adapts to your permissions and usage patterns, showing only what's relevant to you. This improvement is particularly beneficial for new users just getting started with Dataiku, as well as administrators managing large teams with diverse needs. It's also great for organizations focused on improving user adoption and reducing time to value. All right, those were just a couple highlights of what's new in this update. For the full list of everything, check out the release notes and the 13.3 release webpage on dataiku.com. There you'll find everything that we did not talk about, and you can find those links in the description below. As we wrap up the final release update for 2024, I just want to say from the bottom of my heart, thank you all for being on this journey with us this year. From me, as well as everyone else from Dataiku, we want to wish you a happy, wonderful holiday season, and we'll see you in 2025, where we have more exciting things to come. Take care.